Hi everyone, welcome to the Affordable Watch channel. Today we're unboxing a brand new budget-friendly Parns watch from Hashtag AliExpress. This is another version of the Turtle series watch we reviewed last time. Let's see if this one is to your liking. Still the same gold packaging, simple yet elegant, with the What a Gold logo was embossed on the box. The packaging is solid and secure, minimizing the risk of damage during shipping. Inside the box, we have the user manual and, warranty card. Let's put those back, close the lid, and set it aside. Now, let's take a look at this PARNSRPE watch. It's well protected with a protective film, plus it's covering the crystal. Let's peel that off. This time, we have a red and silver color combination. A stylish and vintage aesthetic, perfect for casual wear. A beautiful stainless steel case. And this is a sapphire crystal bind watch. Let's check it out under the light. The dial is clean and well designed, with a textured surface that gives it a premium feel. The case back is smooth with no engravings or patterns. The silicone strap, wasagoyu, feels comfortable, featuring a double loop keeper and a pin buckle design. There are ventilation gaps on the underside for breathability, but no branding. As you can see, this is a stylish, summer-ready Turtle Diver Watch. Let's check out the cheap blue version. The cheap blue dial soldering is as beautiful as the summer sky and the ocean. Let's zoom in. Not sure if you can see it clearly, but the textured gradient dial is really well done. Now let's go back to the red version. Same textured dial here as well. The hands seem to be the same as those on PARNSRPE's best-selling green abalone model. As for the stainless steel bezel, it still features a 120-click counterclockwise rotation. The inner rings has 5-minute increment markers, while the outer ring has a countdown scale for diving. Here's the 125-minute countdown. Since I've never tried diving myself, I don't quite understand why the key's 20-minute marker represents only 10 minutes. Let's move the Tiandes 20-minute mark to the 12 o'clock machine position. Now, we can see that the just dot marker is at 2 o'clock. But the 25-minute countdown seems accurate. Does anyone know why this is? Let's reset it. Moving on to the 3 o'clock crown. It's a screw-down crown, but I don't see an height O-ring seal now for water resistance. Let's pull it out gently to adjust the date. Smooth rotation, no issues at all. Very Taiwan silky movement. Let's set it to the Yakuaseki Ye Thaikastain. I haven't wound the watch yet, but if you get a mechanical watch, you should manually wind it first. Now, pulling it out. One more step. This is the wind full extension. Here's the S25-minute marker. Can you see it? The bezel markings and the yes dot position. Unfortunately, it seems like this E dot isn't loomed. The countdown hand moves smoothly to the dot, and just like that, the yes timer is completed. Very intuitive. Let's reset everything back. The bezel rotation feels very smooth with the snadner, no stiffness or stopping points. Press the crown back in, tighten it down. If it had a rubber gasket, the water resistance could be even better. Here's how it looks. Outdoors in sunlight. What a beautiful watch. Perfect for a day out. With a 12mm thickness, it wears very comfortably. Would you be excited to wear this? Back indoors, not a strong loom reaction. But I really like the stainless steel case. Since the gas strap is interchangeable, I'd pair it with a musk blue strap, which might match the dial better. But of course, it's all piazza and a personal preference. For Oma looms a wakiat the pia blue version's hand have podlum aculine, and they are brighter than the dial. Very noticeable glow. Probably C3 loom. Why? As for the heat red version, only the dial markers have loom. The Yes vintage style hands, us don't have any loom. Let's do a quick measurement. The Yislug width is 20 millimeters. The Yak stainless steel bezel that has a T grippy texture. The T bezel diameter is 40 millimeters. And including the crown, it measures, 46 millimeters. For the case hunter, I can only do a rough measurement. It's about 43 millimeters. But I think it's supposed to be 42 millimeters. The thickness is 12 millimeters for a comfortable size for daily wear. Overall, this watch is a solid choice out of the price. It's lightweight, comfortable, and has a cute, stylish design. Perfect for daily use. Would I recommend it for under $100? Absolutely. If you want one, click the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. For more reviews, blast off.